everyone, Kylie Bussing here, joining you from my studio right outside of Boston. And with me today is my lovely model, Josie. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a color balancing technique using alternating formulas of Colorance and Topchic. Today in my formulas, I'm going to be using at illuminated shades because I really want to showcase the versatility and the amazing shine that you can achieve. As you can see, I've decolorized Josie's ends using Silk Lift Strong. For that reason, I'm going to be prepping the ends of Josie's hair using pre-equalizer spray to ensure that I receive an even payoff of pigment and even saturation. Here is our finished result. You can see that the at illuminated technology in the alternating Topchic and Colorance shades creates an almost liquid shine. It's bold, it's bright, and it's super versatile. Again, I was able to create a fashion shade using Topchic and Colorance, and I think that's amazing, and I hope you love it.